If someone sent you a shared album invite but it's not showing up on your iPhone, don't panic. Here's how you can fix it. Let's get right into it. First of all, open the Settings app and then tap on your Apple ID at the very top. After that, go into iCloud. Then tap on Photos and here, make sure Shared Album is toggled on. Then go back to your Photos app and tap on the Albums tab, then scroll to the bottom. If the invite didn't pop up, try restarting the Photos app or even your iPhone. If it's still not showing, ask the person to resend the invite. Sometimes it doesn't go through properly the first time. And just to be sure, check your Apple ID email inbox for a shared album link, especially if they invited you via email. If nothing helps, sign out and back into iCloud, but only do that if you're okay syncing everything again. Once everything's in place, the invite should pop up under Photos or in Notifications. That's all. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.